guys,
Hey
welcome
guys.
back to my IGTV, and you have already met Mr. Nanda over here. He's not new to my IGTV, neither to my stories. Anyway, so yeah, you guys asked us who's most likely to questions. I have them all screenshotted over here, and I'll be asking those questions to Nanda, and we both will be answering those. So, and yeah, the catch is Nanda doesn't know a single question from this list, and this is whole new challenge for him. And yes, so we have the question. So let's get started.
Alright,
Okay.
let's start.
The first question is who's most likely to plan surprises for special occasions? I guess that's me. That is certainly me. We-
When I actually have to give a surprise, I tell her 2 days in advance.
One instances just now, I mean,
They face
recently, yeah, our date anniversary went by, all of you know, 2-year anniversary, and he wanted to surprise me, and he
Yeah.
ordered a lot of balloons, but he wasn't able to blow up because I was in the house all the time. So he blew one balloon while I was cooking. He placed a card in the bed, and I was like, surprise, and lit some 2 candles. So yeah, he's pretty bad, but he's very cute at planning surprises. I'll give that to him. Who's most likely to fall asleep in washroom?
I don't know. I think that would be you.
Why me?
Why
I
me?
never.
Why me?
Okay.
How many times have you
Because
seen me fall asleep anywhere for that matter?
You don't fall asleep. Okay, so if it is about who's most, I don't fall asleep in the washroom. But
More
if it is
likely.
about
It was most
yeah,
likely. Don't
most
I think it's you?
likely. So yeah, okay, fine, it's me. Yeah. So who's most likely to avoid chores like cleaning bathroom and setting the bed sheet after waking up? Yeah, that'll be me.
That's definitely you because.
No, I don't clean bathroom.
Yeah, that's the point. You don't do it. I clean it all the time. मेरे
Okay,
हाथ गंदे होते हैं
he
हमेशा.
was expecting he'll point it out to me and I'll be like, no, you do it.
No,
Right.
you do it.
Whatever.
I
So,
clean the bathrooms.
Yeah, he cleans the bathroom and I guess
You do
setting
the
the bed
bed is
sheet and
something
after
you do,
waking up and
actually.
everything, I think that I'll take it. So yeah, the answer is divided into 2 parts, you can say. Who's most likely to get mad at themselves and take it out on the other one and later laugh it out admitting their fault? This is the man to do it. He will always do this. I can swear on this.
She can swear it, and I don't know what she's talking about.
Yes, he will do it. He will always take
What's
it
the
out.
next
on
question?
Who's most likely to sing a song with their own lyrics? Oh my god. This is us by
That's classic.
Sagarika and bingo, you got him.
That's
I
classic
mean,
me.
why I'm saying this because he can
Make a song.
actually mix or Hindi Bollywood song and translate into Odia or English and then sing it with his own lyrics. That ruins my day like nothing.
And
like
that
nothing.
is the best part of the day for me because I usually take a Hindi or English song, completely translate it into Hindi. I mean, if it's an English song, I translate it to Hindi, word by word.
That's worse,
And I do
guys.
the
You
same
don't
thing
wanna
with Hindi
hear
songs
it.
in Odia.
Trust me. Who's more likely to take 4 vodka shots at once? I think it will be both of us. I can also take it. I mean, I've done it.
You're just telling me as if I'm accusing you of not doing anything of that sort.
No, I'm just saying.
But
I mean,
in general,
I
it's me.
guess.
I mean,
Fine. I mean,
that's you
why will I
probably.
give it to you? I mean, I guess we both can do that.
fine.
Yeah. I mean, I'll give it to both. So bad. Okay, who's most likely to stick to bed and blanket rather than going out? That's me, guys. I mean,
No, let me just.
Okay, so whole pandemic, not about the pandemic, once
That's
the
half of your
lockdown-
lifetime, right?
Yeah, it
Half
was
of a
good.
lifetime was actually been spent on the bed.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, I love sleeping. I love my bed. I love my blanket. So yeah. So who's most likely? The next question is who's most likely to sleep during a movie night?
Yeah, that's probably me. I mean, I don't usually sleep, but I really
So
get
it
bored.
depends. If some Marvel DC movie is playing, I'll sleep, and if some Bollywood romantic ass movie is playing, I guess we'll
Shitty,
sleep.
she means.
It's not shitty. Totally depends upon what kind of movie it is. I guess we both will sleep off in that case. So who's most likely to get angry first? This guy
What he was just
over
talking
here.
about.
This guy over here. It
I don't
just
even remember when
just
was
takes
last
a
time-
drop of a hat to get angry. I mean, it's
I
nothing,
don't
no
even
reasons
remember
at
when the
all.
last time I got angry. I'm such a passive man.
Really?
Yeah,
I mean,
I'm
it was
always
just
passive.
setting up the camera, we got angry.
I did not.
Yeah, you
I
were.
did not.
I wish I could
Shut up
say
and
it.
let's continue.
See? Who's most likely to look for adventure? I think that'll be you.
Yeah,
I'm not
it's
an
definitely
adventurous
gonna be. I mean,
person. You know it already because
she's into all this workout. I think it's completely pointless. Let's do something outside.
yeah. Who's most likely to snore? God, I can't stress this enough. I hope when I'm saying this to my like IGTV audience, you actually understand what I go through.
Excuse me.
Please stop snoring.
Yeah, it's right in my control. It's like, oh man, you just said not stop snoring. I'll completely be silent.
Okay, let's take.
You also snore, by the way.
I don't.
I don't know.
Anyway, who's most likely to curse in front of a child?
That's probably me.
I guess I'll.
I mean, I often, I don't think I've actually never seen you lose control of your tongue. I usually
See, now you know the answer about getting angry.
do. What? How's that angry? I mean, shut up.
Okay, anyway, so yeah, that'll be him. Who is most likely to win every argument? None of us.
No, I think it's you.
How?
You always do.
I don't.
You cry. You actually make me cry, but that is
It's not
automatically
true.
winning the argument.
That's not true. I think we both do not win an argument. If we are having an argument, we generally agree to disagree, which is what we are doing it right now. So, God, no. I mean, I think both of us.
Don't look
But
at me
if
like that as if I'm going to
he
give you a
thinks it's
affirmative
me.
statement.
Okay, fine. Let's separate.
See
He
what I
thinks-
just told you.
I agree to disagree. He thinks it's me. I think it's both of us. Like, moving on to the next question. Who's most likely to pick up a fight with thugs on the road?
That's you.
That's me.
That's definitely you. I'm
This is
scared
asked
of
by
them.
Akshara. I mean, Akshara, you know. That
Yeah.
is me.
Anyway, whenever you're actually going out and you end up in a fight or something, she is gonna fight. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
run away.
Yeah. I love fighting.
First chance.
I love it. Anyway, who's most likely to be found with a book?
Recently.
Yeah,
That would have been me earlier, but I think over
I
the
think
past
so.
2-3 years I've not actually properly touched a book, and I did try, and it doesn't just really work with me anymore.
So yeah.
I used to read a lot of books, by the way. It's not
So
me anymore.
he used to, and I think I just picked it up like 1 month back. So now it'll be me.
It's-
Otherwise,
it's
it would
more
have been
constant.
neither of us.
It's more of constant for you at the moment, so that really counts.
So yeah, it's me now. Who's most likely to binge watch a show over sleep?
Hmm.
Yeah,
That's definitely me.
I'll never do that, and I love my sleep. Who's more likely to eat up the chocolates from the fridge? This guy. Oh God, yes. Every time we go for the grocery shopping in Tesco and everything,
Never happened.
he will pick up this big bar of a chocolate and it stays in the fridge, and he picks it up and eats it up regularly. I mean, yeah.
Never happened. I don't know what you're talking about.
Seriously, how can you do that?
Don't know.
I'll snap at you right now.
And somebody get the answer to who gets angry first.
Who's most likely to be a lazy bum?
That's both of us actually. That's both of us. I mean,
we influence each other
Yeah.
basically. I mean, it's never.
I think sometimes it's no. I compete, to be more lazy, and she competes the same likewise. Sometimes she goes around and has a 2-hour workout session instead of just a 1 hour today, and I never do it. So
Yeah.
I think I might win that.
Who's most likely to swear at English people easily? Okay.
That's probably you.
I don't
That's
I
probably
swear at
is-
them, but then I don't use English. I swear in Hindi.
Yeah,
So
but
then you don't
I think
understand.
that's got to be me probably because I have more interaction with these people over here, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's because of that. I mean, that's the
Mostly.
only consequential situation where you actually get to swear someone. So yeah,
Who's most likely to get crazy drunk or high?
that's gonna be me.
Yeah. I mean, I don't get high, but I do. I don't even get
When was
crazy.
the last time you actually got crazy drunk?
I know.
For me,
Yeah,
it's
it-
like only recent past or something.
Yeah, he does. He
Parents, I'm not talking about drinks. I'm just talking about water. I really got high on water.
I just wish our parents are not watching this. Okay,
What do you mean by
mom-
wish? You do not show it to them.
My mom is on Instagram. So. Anyway, who's most likely to spend more on desserts? Yeah.
Obviously.
Although he likes chocolates, but
Not as much.
I'm not someone who likes a lot of chocolates, but I love desserts. I even whenever we go to Tesco, I get myself a lot of muffins and jam donuts.
Guys, for you, just a straightforward statement. She forces me. She forces me to have
Surely,
chocolates.
yeah.
It's completely on her.
Yeah, totally. Such a sad life, I tell you.
Yeah.
Most likely to dance in an unknown barat. That
For a matter of a split second, when you say dance, it's all her. unknown, known, kuch bhi kar lo, she's got to be the one who
Yeah,
starts.
that'll be me. That'll be me always. Who's most likely to sleep through a long weekend and not go out? It's the same.
Same, yeah.
It's the
So,
same. It's me. It's me.
I just get
I
frustrated.
cancel out on all the plans over the weekend. I prefer sleeping. I mean, even this weekend we didn't go anywhere. So yeah. So who's most likely to do weird things in public?
That's me.
Yeah, that is him.
I have this
Not the kind
natural
of
tendency
person.
towards embarrassing
embarrass
me,
himself.
her, everybody. And if you know me, I'll embarrass you also.
Who's most likely to forget a special day? That'll be you.
Yeah.
Certainly him. There's my excuse over there. Who's most likely to go to jail? That'll be me. I do all kind of stuffs that'll land me
Land you
up.
up in jail.
Yeah, land me up somewhere very bad.
And the bail amount is too high, I'm not coming for you.
Moving on. Who's most likely to cancel a plan? That's me again.
Yeah, I think it's both of us.
I think if we both of us are feeling lazy, we both of us decide to
Just
plan.
a straight A out of us. She was most likely to cancel the plan. I am trying to convince her to cancel the plan. So
Who's most likely to start a band? And the question is asked by Soumyadeep Nanda.
Did I? Yeah, I'm just
Yeah,
kidding.
that's because he will do it. I'll never do that sort of stuff. So yeah. Who's most likely to have OCD and being possessive?
I don't know. I
We're
think
not
that's neither
possessive.
of us.
Both of us are not
I
possessive.
mean, she doesn't stop me for anything. I don't stop her for anything actually. for that
Yeah,
matter.
and we both aren't OCD also. I mean, we don't want
yeah,
everything strictly clean.
we, I mean, if you could just roam around with the camera right now, you'd really know that how un-OCD that we are.
We try to keep things clean, but not OCD
Yeah,
clean.
we're not OCD.
Thank you so much for sending us a lot of questions. We really had fun shooting this.
We did.
And I really hope you guys do watch till the end and have fun. Tell us in the comments below what more questions should we have a shoot of. Maybe suggest us some more questions. Drop the comments below and we'll do a part 2 of the shoot. So till then, take care and stay safe, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. No, us to the first question. Next is the next question is who's the next.
The blanket has suddenly been transferred to your duvet. I have no idea what the duvet was before this.
Can you just check if this is recording or not?
Makes sense.
Just
Huh?
be to fart in front of each other. Do you want to continue with the question?
Let's go to the next question. Who's actually standing still and dancing like this? That's also not me.